What's up guys? This is the day one of my journey to become an NCAA basketball player. Kaya tara, samahan niyo akong mag-training. Ang training pala natin ngayon guys, more on leg days. So di muna tayo gagamit ngayon ng bola. More on workout lang muna tayo. Pag linggo kasi guys, di pwede makagamit ng court kasi may gumagamit na lumalatag. So dito guys, before we start our workout, stretching muna tayo para di mabigla yung mga muscles natin. Ang unang workout nga pala natin guys is upper body. That's what we call push-up. Ang purpose pala ng push-up guys is to increase our body strength. That includes your chest, triceps, and shoulders. Since ang basketball guys is more on physicalities, kailangan talaga natin magpalakas ng katawan. Dito sa pangalawang workout natin guys, it is what we call split squat. Split squat guys is it includes muscle gains. Since ang basketball is more on talon-talon, to get a rebound, kailangan mo talaga na workout to increase your vertical leap. Siya nga pala guys, magkabilaan yan yung workout ko, left and right. Dito naman guys, sa pangatlong workout natin, that is what we call single leg RDL. Ang purpose nito guys is to stabilize your knee and ankle. Para sa pagdalon mo guys, it support your knee and ankle para hindi ka ma-injured. Ang second purpose pala guys ng single leg RDL is to stabilize your landing galing sa rebound. Since ako matalon ako, lalo na pag may mga offensive rebound, tatalon-talon talaga ako, matalon talaga ako. Tsaka kailangan talaga natin to na workout to less injured. Dito sa pangatlong workout natin guys, isa din to sa purpose ng pampalakas ng talon. It is what we call standing calf raises. Ito yung palaging ginagawa ko kahit wala akong dumbbell. Ginagawa ko dyan yung bola na lang na may lamang buhangin. Sa mga mahilig palang tumalon guys or gustong lumakas yung talon, gawin nyo na lang tong workout na to. Sure ako na tataas talaga yung vertical leap nyo. Yun lang guys, thanks for watching.